I have a habit sometimes to choose what kind of makeup I should do based on my lip color. So today's makeup, I started with the lipstick. If you can make it work, it doesn't matter what you start your makeup with as long as it works for you. I'm going to first use a lip balm, of course. Just kind of apply it evenly all over your lips and straight go in with a nude lip liner. A lot of people can go for lipstick without the nude lip liner. I like using it because it kind of takes care of the pigmentation on the lips. And if you use it after a lip balm, it's a cakewalk. I say cakewalk because it's not going to make your lips dry. Now considering this is a red lipstick, I'm going to first line my lips with a red lip liner. When it comes to red lipstick, make sure your application is neat, which means the lining should be very neat as well. This is quite a lovely red by Maybelline and it's easily available. Make sure you apply well towards the inner part of your lips because that's the part that comes off first, especially when it comes to matte lipsticks. Then touch up your lining and make sure that your lip is in perfect shape. I can go out just like this as well, but I want to show you how to do a good makeup look around your red lips. Blend in your blush on well. Mattify the top of your eyes because contouring the eyes is an absolute must when it comes to any makeup. You can use any powder including your Studio Fix. Now I'm going to go in with a neutral shade and I'm going to apply it on my upper eyelid just the way I do, and if you have hooded eyes, go a little above. With the leftover product of your brush, you can bring it also down till your lash line. Definitely set your eyebrows with a gel so that they don't move. Use a good mascara to complete your eye makeup. For this look, I'm going to apply the mascara well because the mascara is what will line my eyes. With very bright lips, I like to balance it with lighter eye makeup. Now just take your Studio Fix, which is a powder foundation, and touch it up wherever required, like your under eye and the other sun-kissed parts of your face. I hope you're enjoying all my uncomplicated makeup. Makeup should be easy, especially when it comes to daily makeup, and I think this works. It's all about less layers and a big impact. Hope you like it. Do give it a try.